Your house is under contract to sell, you've gotten through the home inspection and the appraisal, but there are other things you need to know that are your responsibility as the person selling the house. What we'll talk about next is your responsibilities with regards to making sure you comply with the contract, and if something should go wrong in that period of time between when you went under contract and when you actually close your home. Stay tuned for that next. Hi, I'm Kelly Vandever. I'm a real estate agent in the Atlanta, Georgia area with Keller Williams, North Atlanta. You're under contract, you're getting ready to sell your house. There may be some things that were in the initial agreement that you have to comply with. So if there were some special stipulations, or if during the home inspection part you signed an amendment to do a repair, you have responsibilities to get that work done. So you need to schedule the contractors, you need to provide proof that the work was done. Usually that's with a receipt from a qualified professional to do the repair, might be pictures. Whatever it is that you agreed to do, you need to be able to provide some proof that you've done it. Oftentimes in those contracts or in those amendments, there's a timeline put around when that repair will be done. You need to make sure that you comply with that timeline. Even if you've complied with everything in the contract, the truth is life happens. Toilets leak. Trees come down on houses. What happens if some kind of catastrophe, small or minor or huge and big, happens in that time frame between when you agree to sell the house and when the house actually closes? In the standard purchase and sale agreement, there is a paragraph that says that you as a person selling the house have to turn the house over in the same condition as it was when the offer was made, with the exception of any repairs you agreed to do. If you experience an issue that necessitates that you contact your home insurance company, contact your company, but then also contact your real estate agent. They need to inform the buyers that something has changed with regards to the condition of the house. Even if it's something like an appliance stops working or you accidentally put a hole in a wall while you were moving furniture, inform your real estate agent so that they can let the buyer know that there's been a change in the property. You'll need to address whatever the issue is and make sure the way that you address it is going to be acceptable to the buyer. So again, contact your agent. They can walk you through the best way to deal with whatever that change might be. The change may or may not impact the contract, but be sure and talk to your agent. You don't want to go through this alone. That's what we have experts for. Talk to your agent. We're getting close to the end now, getting close to when you will close on your house, but there are just a couple more things you'll need to take care of, and we'll talk about those in the next video. For a guide on the overall process flow in selling your house, follow the link below. If you'd like some help selling your house in the Metro Atlanta area, I'd love to work with you. Please reach out.